Hi, today I'm going to show you how to change the oil in your car. If you're unsure which tools you'll need, pause the video now and have a look at this list we put together for you. The first thing we'll do is drain the used oil out of your engine. So let's get started. Carefully roll your vehicle up the ramps to raise the front end. Engage your vehicle's emergency brake and place it into park. Don't forget to chock the rear wheels. And if you don't have wheel chocks, you can use a 2x4. Slide under your car and place an oil pan directly below the drain plug. Grab your ratchet and a socket to gently loosen the plug. Be sure to wear gloves and eye protection. The oil can start to drip as soon as the plug is loosened. Next, remove your oil filter with your filter wrench. The oil filter will be full of oil, so be sure to have the drain pan directly underneath it. If your filter is enclosed in a housing, like this one, safely discard the filter from the housing, remove the O-rings, give the housing a good wipe with a clean rag, and set it aside for later. If your oil filter is a sealed unit, you can safely dispose of the entire filter. Now, you're ready to refill your engine with new motor oil. So let's talk about the best oil to pour back in. There are a wide variety of motor oils available, from synthetic to conventional, with various viscosities. Some vehicles can take either synthetic or conventional oil, while others can only take synthetic. So just refer back to your owner's manual. It'll tell you which types of oil are best for your vehicle. Now, while synthetic oil is more expensive than conventional oil, it contains less impurities and can really enhance the protection and the performance of your engine. Plus, it'll help you go longer between oil changes. First, reinstall the drain plug by fitting a new crush washer and tighten it by hand. Torque it down and be careful not to over-tighten it. Next, insert the new oil filter into the housing and make sure your O-rings are installed. Carefully install the oil filter, tightening by hand, then using your torque wrench, tighten it to your vehicle's required specifications. Refer to your owner's manual to find out how many liters of oil your vehicle will take. When you're done, lower your car off the ramps so it's back on a level surface. Check your dipstick and add more oil if needed, but remember to never overfill. Next, inspect under and around the vehicle for any oil leaks. Done. Changing your oil isn't difficult, and it's a great way to understand and maintain your car. So here's to helping your car run smoothly with Mobil 1.